Hello, I'm Brad Ebel with Metrologic Group, and I'm here today at the WENZEL booth, sporting their WENZEL arm. And today I'm going to scan the sake bottle that was 3D printed. So in my software, all I got to do is connect the arm and set it to acquire some point cloud, and we can get started. So the important thing to keep in mind is to keep the laser line perpendicular to the surface you're trying to scan. That'll ensure the most accurate point cloud is being captured. And then around the neck, we can orient it this way to get underneath the neck here. There we go. We have now completed our 3D scan of our sake bottle.